nobody is going to tell you. But immediately you pick up that smartphone and start recording, these challenges will come running after you. So these are the challenges I face upon posting videos on YouTube consistently. So stick along, let's go. Well, this might sound so easy and direct, but if you make one single mistake or if you don't plan this the proper way, your whole week of productivity is gone. So I set up my week for the days. I plan out how I'm going to make the videos that I want to make for that week. So my first plan I made a plan that I was going to make my research because of the nature I'm into. I actually need to make a lot of researches. I'll make my research on Mondays and record the video on Monday also. Then on Tuesday, I would edit the video and post it on Tuesday. Then on Wednesday, I would rest. Then on Thursday again, I'll do the same thing. And on Friday, I would edit and post it also on Friday. So, but the problem was that when I started with that plan, it didn't work out for me because, as I said, my niche requires a lot of research and the stress was much for one day just for me to like make the research one day, record the video the same day, edit the video also the next day. It was a lot of stress. So I needed to create I needed to come up with another plan. So my idea was I stressed out all what I needed to do in between the week. So the new plan was that on Monday, I would make research. On Tuesdays, I write all my scripts for all the videos I want to make for that week, including my short form videos and my long form content. So I write the script down so it will be easier for me to record them. So on Wednesday, I'll record all the videos I want to record, everything on Wednesday. So on Thursday, I would make thumbnails. I left only Thursday for thumbnails because YouTube thumbnails are kind of like very, very important and one of the key factors that make a video go viral or not. So, and it's kind of hard for me to like just come up with thumbnails. I just left that for Thursday alone. Anybody can come up with like trend plans or like trend idea. On Thursday, I just left Thursday alone for thumbnails. And on Friday and Saturday, I would edit my videos, all the videos I want to make for that week. And on Saturday, post a video. Or if I don't post it on Saturday, on Sunday, I post the video because people actually at home on Sunday, or most people are at home on Sunday. They don't go to work, so it's ideal like you post it on Sunday so that they can get to see your videos on Sunday. They get the notifications to view your videos, so it's just boost up your views. Well, it is actually very taxing, to know what your viewers actually watch. You just have to roll your brain around it, go around it, and start thinking, what should I make? What should I produce? Would you actually like this? Should I make a video about this? Can be very taxing. But here's what I do actually. So I just go onto my incognito mode on my desktop and I just go on YouTube and I search a bunch of things like how do you make money? So from doing that, the keywords kind of give me like what most of you guys have been looking for, and I make videos about that. So that's actually what has helped me in minimizing my stress on thinking of what to produce and how to produce what I produce. It actually helps. Like, since that is what you guys are actually looking for, I just go on there and I look for it. I take them out, one relating to my niche, and I make them for you guys. But if there is any video you people want me to make relating to finance, just identify in the comment section and I'll be happy to do so. All right, moving on to the challenge number 3 that I actually face, which is I think a lot of people actually face this one also too, because I've come across a lot of creators and they'll be like, my problem about posting on YouTube is I have to edit the videos, I have to create thumbnails, I'm not really good at editing, yada blah blah blah. Yeah, I know it can be very, very frustrating. I'm not really perfect at editing, but due to my passion for YouTube, I just had to like pick it up and let it become something I would actually like. So for me, I started with Premiere Pro, editing my video on Premiere Pro, but sometimes Premiere Pro can be a little bit complicated, so I move on to CapCut, which is very much easier. The transitions there are way cooler than the one on Premiere Pro. I don't really like Premiere Pro. Is actually, you can do a lot of things there compared to CapCut, but like beginner, you might find CapCut like quite easy to use for you. So I just switched to, but I use the both of them sometimes when I need some delicate work done, I just move it to Premiere Pro, which is faster for me to do than CapCut. So like that, I just do most of the things like that with my CapCut, and it has been quite tedious because I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of stressful editing videos. very, very stressful. So, but I don't have a choice. I just have to keep on doing it. And I'm kind of loving it a bit. But eventually, YouTube, when I start making a sustainable amount or a reasonable amount, I will definitely hire a video editor, because the stress of editing video is killing. So those are the challenges I face, and those are how I overcome most of them. There are some days I actually feel so frustrated. Don't think everything goes perfectly. There are some days I'm feeling so frustrated down. Sometimes on the ground, like, why can't I get ideas? What's going on? Yeah, it happens like that. Everything doesn't go as we want. But the most important part is that get up and you go again. So see you on my next video. Stay tuned.